Hey, what's up guys? I want to apologize. I had to do this video as a voiceover as the original audio came out pretty scuffed due to some issues in Voicemeeter. I want to go ahead and say thanks out to Project Builds X, as he has built like 6 of these and he raves and claims it's his favorite board, so I had to get one for myself to see. So let's take a quick look over here at the product page. While we're doing this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. The Thera75 was available in 4 different colors: an anodized blue, an E-white, and an E-black, as well as a polycarbonate option. There is 2 options for the weight: a standard brushed stainless steel as well as an upgraded PVD coated stainless steel. There was 3 options for the badges: E-black, E-white, and a titanium burned blue. Let's take a quick look here at the different options. This is a polycarbonate. This is the anodized blue. This is an E-white. This is the E-black. That is the PVD coated weight. There was no picture of the normal weight, and this is the titanium burned blue badge. Alright, let's take a look here at some more of the board's features. This is a plateless gasketed PCB leaf spring mounting style. The case is a screwless screw-in style, and the PCB is a 1.6 millimeter 2-layer black non-hot swap PCB compatible with QMK and VIA. Now let's hop into this box and take a look at what we got. I did have to purchase this board off of Mech Market as it is no longer available. I purchased this board for $400 including the shipping, which I think is a pretty good deal because most of them I saw were going for over $400. Especially with the upgraded weight and a blue titanium badge. I think I did pretty good at that price point and I was comfortable with it. I always suggest, if you're going aftermarket, take your time, look around for prices that suit your budget. Don't pay somebody that is just buying these boards to flip at a ridiculous markup. It just encourages them to continue to do so. But if you do want to pay a markup, that's extremely high premium. It's your money, spend it how you please. Alright, let's take a look here. First thing we're going to be looking at is the PCB. Like I said, this is a soldered PCB. This is a plateless board, so there will be no plate included in the kit. The plate has what I believe is like a domed cathedral. I'm not 100% certain. This board is based off of the inspiration from Thera Island. So this board included an extra badge, which I wasn't expecting. A weird Santa hat. I don't know if maybe the original owner bought it to be a Christmas present for someone, or if they received it as a Christmas present. These are the gaskets that appear to be, standard 3M gaskets, rubber bump-ons, and of course an Allen key. So inside we've got various bits of foam. I'm not real sure yet where that piece is going to go. I'm assuming it's for the spacebar, but I will have to look at a build guide and find out. This all E-coated black aluminum case appears to be high quality. There doesn't seem to be any scuffs. Both of the halves seem to match really well. Doesn't seem to be any marks that I can see upon initial inspection. It's just a few fingerprints there, trying to wipe those off. I do like the way that PVD coated weight came out looking. Adds a nice little touch and a nice contrast to the solid black. The badge also came out really nice, matches the weight really well. As you can see, there's a daughter board in there. When I first noticed there was a USB port in there, I was like, wait, did this come with an extra PCB? But then I realized that it is in fact a daughter board with a JST connector. Let's pull this foam out. So underneath of these foams there is an additional 3 thin layers of foam, which I'm assuming is so that you can put in the amount of foam that you prefer without having to use all 3. I'm not sure how I'll be building this out yet. I've got a while till I decide. This board does have an included daughter board and JST connector so that you don't have to worry about breaking off that USB-C port. It doesn't appear to be an IO3 unified daughter board. It appears to be something of their own design. This board was created by Createkeebs, so looks like they decided to go their own way and not go with the industry standard, which can make replacement a pain later in the future, but we'll see what happens. take another look here at that weight, which looks really good. It's a nice contrast with that black. I think that going with the upgraded one is definitely a good choice, especially in this colorway. I don't know how it would look with other colorways, but I think it looks really well. This is where I realized that one of the screws had just come out of the case, but luckily, after some shaking, it fell out, and there it was. So, yeah, I got a little nervous for a second there. Thought I was going to be having to make a trip to the hardware store, but turns out that was not the case. Let's get everything packed back away here. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.